Hello friends, this is Veronica, and you know what time it is. It's cafecito time, and more importantly, it is iced cafecito time. It's getting warmer, it's almost summertime, and what do we love in the summertime? Our iced coffee. And today I have a video for you introducing you, taste testing, maybe a recipe of the new Nespresso iced coffee called exotic Liminha over ice, which means basically exotic lemon. So make sure you stick around if you're new here. Welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, turn on your notifications, and join our cafecito time. So make sure you stick around. Okay, let's get down to it. I've been feeling a little bit of FOMO, fear of missing out, because other people have done the reviews. Everyone's been talking about it, but I had not ordered the exotic lemon over ice coffee because, as you know, there was other coffees coming out if you saw my haul video. So I didn't want to have to order this one and then order again. So I kind of like waited a little bit so all the coffees were available, so I could just put in my order. That's the reason why, because, you know, I'm not made out of money, and these coffees can get a little pricey. Let's see. This one, speaking of pricey, the lemon is $13, brand new to Nespresso. They do have this in the Virtuo double shot of espresso, 2.7 ounces, and also for the original line. I didn't order both because, like I said, not made out of money. My YouTube money is not as much as I would like it to be to buy all the coffees. But anyways, it's here. I'm excited. Let's open it up. Let's look at the box. Okay, so there it is. Pretty little banana. I don't know if it's a banana leaf, but I like the leaf silhouette. There we go. The color is nice and summery. Let's open it up. Okay. Ooh, pretty. So as you know, usually the color of the capsule matches the box. And that's what the capsule looks like. You guys see that? So pretty. The leaf on there. 2.7 ounces. So it is a double shot of espresso. And let's see what it says. I tried looking it up here on my iPad, but I don't know. The website's not working. So we're going to have to put on the reading glasses. So let's see. It is intensity. These don't have intensity. That's right. I don't know why the iced does not have an intensity. But like I said, you get 10 capsules of double shot of espresso. Why we love it. Mix it up this summer with Barista Creations Exotic Liminha over Ice. A beautiful balance of tangy lime and refreshing mint. Ooh, oh, Liminha is lime, not lemon. Duh. Like I said, I don't speak Portuguese. Spanish, yes. Portuguese, and no. Let's see. A beautiful balance of tangy lime and refreshing mint flavors bring a twist to the light, fruity, and cereal notes. Okay, you guys know I like cereal notes to the African Arabicas in this blend. Bright and breezy, the signature of summer refreshment transports you to the tropics. Okay. Best served as one coffee capsule over a cup full of ice. To extend the treat, top it off with cold water. Okay, so basically they're telling you to drink it iced, add some water to it, kind of like an Americano, I'm assuming. If you have not subscribed and watched my girl Anasari, she did her video on this, and she said she went to the barista, so I'm going to link her video down below. You guys need to go watch her. She said that she went to the Nespresso boutique, and they basically told her there that it's probably best to drink it without creamer, without milk, because of like the citrusy mint I don't know. You guys tell me. If you tried this, have you added creamer or milk? Let me know. I'm going to try it as suggested, you know, because that's usually the best way to try it. So I'm going to try how they suggest, but then I might add a little touch of creamer. Why not? I mean, you never know. It might be good, it might not, but how do we know unless we try? Okay, so let's brew our cup. Okay, so how am I gonna do this? Let me see. Oh, you guys, also, if you saw my Starbucks video, I did a quick little video from the Starbucks new summer merchandise collection and drinks. The drink was, I didn't really make a video on the chocolate cold cream drink because honestly, it wasn't awful, but it wasn't as good as I thought it would be. So I didn't really think it was worth making a video, but if you've tried it and if you liked it, let me know. One of the new merch they had were these cold cups. You know, we've all probably have one of these. It comes with a cute, nice little straw, but this is a color changing cold cup, and the color it changes to is a mystery. We don't know. Every cup changes a different color that matches a straw. I've been waiting to use this because I don't know the color it's going to change to. I think it's either aqua, pink, orange, purple. I don't know. We'll see. So let's make our coffee in here. Be right back. Okay, I have my ice. So we're going to not only try this new coffee, but we're going to see what color our cup changes. Are you guys excited? I am. So hope everyone's been doing good. Everyone's been, you know, enjoying their coffee. Let me know how you're doing, everyone. Okay, let's do this. Oh, I see a little something happening. Oh, I can smell the mint. Ooh, I smell that. I like mint. I don't know if I like it in my coffee, but I do like mint. So let's see. Let's see what this turns into. Okay, better. Okay, so I totally smell the mint. I don't really smell any lime, so if you're not a fan of mint, you might not like this one. Okay, my cup hasn't changed yet because I don't think it's cold enough. But let me take a little sip just of the coffee by itself. Oh, very, very minty. I actually don't really taste the lime at all. Okay. Let's pour some water in there like it says, some cold water. Make it like a iced Americano. And let's see if my cup finally changes color. There it goes. Okay. We need more, we'll add more, but let's see. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay, you guys, I'm a little stumped because I was really thinking it was going to be like lime. It was going to have like a little more of a lime taste, more of a citrus taste, more of a like a tanginess. None of that. It's none of that. So I really am shocked that they're calling it exotic Liminha when it's no Liminha in it. It's very, very, not very minty, but the mint definitely takes over and overpowers. And my cup, I guess because of the coffee, we can't really tell, but it looks like it's changing a little bit. Can you guys tell? A little bit of like maybe orangey? I don't know. It's not bad. I don't hate it, but I don't love it either. I'm kind of like, I don't know how to feel about it. I don't know what to think about it. Okay, I'm going to do another little taste test. Let's add just a splash of half and half. Because why not? Oh, there we go. Now it's looking more orangey. Okay. Okay. Not bad, actually. Actually, it doesn't really taste too bad. Kind of tastes the same. I didn't add any sugar or anything, just a splash of half and half. So if you don't like your coffee black, add a splash of half and half. And yeah, not too bad. You guys, I've actually been a little bit disappointed with the iced capsules over ice last year. The coconut one, I'm not a huge fan of coconut anyways, so I wasn't like super duper crazy about it, but it wasn't very coconutty. Like, come on, Nespresso, if you're telling us it's this flavor, we want that flavor to be predominant. If you're telling me this is a lime, I need the lime flavor to be stronger, like more of a punch. You know, and now that I've added the milk, the lime, I'm sorry, the mint flavor is kind of actually like going away. So yeah, I mean, if you are like me and just like to try new things and you don't want to miss out, then order one box, try it out, let me know what you think. I'm a little disappointed, I gotta say. I was looking forward to it. It's not bad. I'll drink it. In fact, let's try something else. Because I don't know if you guys have seen this trend on, I think it's TikTok. I don't do TikTok, but I've heard people talk about putting espresso in orange juice. I haven't tried it because, I don't know, sounds weird. But what if we add espresso to lemonade? What if we add Liminha espresso coffee into some like sparkling lemonade? I'm sure you guys have heard of like espresso tonics. Why not? Let's try it. You guys want to try this with me? Okay, stick around. I know this video is going to be a little long, so don't complain. If you don't want to watch it, then just tap, skip away. Okay, hold on.